Ciladers. Nah, senang sekali Miss Anita di sini sudah kedatangan 3 tamu mahasiswa internasional dari Belanda. Ada Rick, Sam, and Natasha. Welcome. So today we're going to give you experience of testing Indonesian traditional snacks. So here I have some of Indonesian traditional snacks. So di sini ada makanan tradisional Indonesia. Nah, you can pick one and taste and share together and show your opinion about it.
Okay.
Okay, maybe from Rick.
I think this one is nice.
Okay, let's open it.
What is this?
Oh, I think if I'm not be wrong, it's called putu ayu, but usually the color is green, but this one is brown.
Oh.
So the green one is from pandan's leaf, and this one is like making of a brown sugar.
Doe
Okay. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. You can share it too.
Oh, yeah.
What are the ingredients?
I don't really exactly know, but it has brown sugar, maybe with the flour in it and the coconut milk.
It's a nice cake.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah. What do you think?
Yeah, it's nice.
Nice.
It's good.
It seems like it.
I don't really like sweet food.
That's
It's a
why.
bit sweet, but it's okay. The
Okay.
taste is okay. Very good.
Alright.
Hey, do you like it?
I like it.
Yeah.
Out of 1 to 10,
It's not my favorite either, but I would give it a 7.
7.
7, how about
And
you?
Out
I
of
think
10.
the same.
The
Yeah.
same.
No, 5.
Okay.
5.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, next
So pick
one.
the next one.
Pick the
Okay.
next one.
Now then we're gonna go for this interesting
This is banana leaf.
package.
Yes, banana leaves.
Banana leaf.
Yeah. The kind of one has like stapler on
Yeah.
it.
Did you make it yourself?
No, I
Woke up really early, started cooking.
Fout.
That's a good.
Package.
You're really good at this.
Oh, that's right.
Oh, that's safe.
Yeah, it's called aram-aram.
What's in it?
Aram-aram. So it's basically rice, and then inside like tofu,
Maybe it's
usually tofu. We cook it with
Ik
onions,
pak er een stukje vanaf, want ik hoef het echt niet.
and then what is it?
You like this?
I like it.
It's like sweet or?
It's savory.
Ooh.
It's a rice.
I like it.
Yeah, you like it.
I like it.
Yeah, you like it.
The filling is not that much, I guess.
No,
Because it's very
that's
small.
fine because I
Oh.
think when it's too much filling, it's like too much.
Okay.
What's it like? What's?
It's rice.
Yes.
Yes.
I know. Like
With like cooked with coconut milk, and then inside there is like fillings, usually tofu.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
orange.
Isn't this carrots?
Oh yeah, yes. Sometimes it's tofu, sometimes like mixed vegetable like carrots and
It's better.
potato.
Tofu is not so good.
You don't like tofu?
The tofu from Surabaya is not good.
But I think with banana leaf is nice because in the Netherlands we don't have it. Yes.
No.
So that makes it like more traditional.
So this is nice.
Yeah.
I would give it an 8, I think.
8.
Yeah,
Okay.
So,
Better than 8.
that's high.
Yeah.
Then we like it as well.
No, I look like I don't like anything. No, but I'm not really a rice person. Yeah.
Not sweet, not brown.
That's nice, not salty.
No salty though.
Salty you like?
Yes.
Yeah,
I don't. Yeah, I don't eat rice that much,
okay.
but it's okay. It's okay.
Yes,
In
this
the
one.
Netherlands we eat potato.
Yeah,
Not potato, yes.
it's okay. Now, Natasha, I'm really curious what you're gonna pick.
Another one of these. Man.
I'm really curious about this one.
Pink one, yeah.
Pink
The
one.
pink one is nice for you.
Yeah.
What is it?
Zo hè?
So I don't really know how it's like normally called, but in my hometown I call it kuro. So it's like kura is turtle.
Oh.
Turtle?
Yeah, it's it's
So-
like
Oh,
turtle.
the shape.
So yeah.
Oh, maar
Is it like really
I like
sweet?
turtle.
It looks
I don't
it
know.
gets sweet.
It looks sweet, but
It looks like a big gum of
Is
cheese.
it?
it's made
Is it hard?
made of tapioca and with the filling
Oh.
inside. What is inside?
Oh!
Huh?
Oh, is it green bean?
Yes, I guess.
Maar dit kunnen we niet echt gaan delen.
Nee, sorry.
Nee, nou.
Ja, ik hou het, sorry, ik probeer het echt zo netjes mogelijk, maar...
It smells really sweet.
I don't know. I haven't tasted.
Oh, it smells really sweet. Like chewing gum.
But it's
Like
not-
bubblicious.
Bubblicious.
It tastes like bubblicious, but it's not that sweet.
It's like already chewed bubblicious.
Fair.
Dit ziet er toch niet goed uit.
Mm.
It's really sticky. What is it?
Ik
Yes.
zou gewoon een hap nemen.
Ja.
Oh no, this is not good.
It's not good.
Oh. No, sorry.
I
Alright.
think it's okay, but it's not my favorite.
Oh, it's really sweet.
Why do they make
Sweet.
it taste like bubblegum?
Yeah.
Because the inside is like traditional green
Ugh.
bean, which
Oh,
is
this is
fine.
green.
But why would you make it?
Like a chicken skin.
It's like,
Goosebumps.
well,
No.
yeah.
No.
The color is nice.
Yeah, it's like pink, sometimes green too.
Yeah, the
sometimes
color is
purple.
nice.
The color is
For a ball, maybe. Wow. No, not my
Okay,
favorite. I think
yes.
a 3 or maybe 2.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, no.
Maybe, yeah, 4.
No, sorry. It's not
Alright.
really nice.
So go on to the last one. I will pick
Well,
this
the
one.
last one.
So it's I'm not sure that you're gonna like it because it's basically the base almost the same with that one.
Oh,
Just,
Nice,
let's
yeah.
just try it.
Yeah, we're gonna try, of course.
yes, I'll try it.
It's called Nagasari.
Oh,
Nagasari.
more bubblegum.
What is this?
Is
It's
it like
a banana.
Pizza?
Banana?
Yeah, pisang.
Pizza is nice.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Banana.
Dan hap ik die er in één keer uit.
Ja, maar Natasja heeft er deze al op, hè?
Oeh. Oeh.
Oh, ik heb die snoep in mijn mond. Ik moet zo echt even wat eten.
No.
Is het niet oké?
You
It's
don't
like
like
a bar
it?
of soap. No.
Ja, omdat het er zo uitziet. Nee, maar met dat naam.
No. Maybe this one is even worse than this one.
Ja, ook
Ja.
deze waren echt iets beter dan die. Ja, geef maar.
She likes it. No.
I guess you guys are like more
Nee.
to
Ik heb
separate
één klein
Ja,
things.
ja,
van me.
No.
No, sorry.
Not for me.
You don't?
It's okay.
Yeah, no.
Wow. This one was good.
I've eaten this once, but not in
Like
pink.
10 minutes ago.
Nee.
Not pink.
But why is it pink? Usually it's white, right?
Yeah, usually white. I know, just like adding some colors to it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not necessary.
It's okay. So yeah.
It was very interesting.
Yes, it's interesting.
It was really interesting.
to taste.
Yeah,
Yes.
so this one is the winner. This one is the best.
Okay,
Rice,
so Adam
everything,
Adam, yeah.
Aram,
All you guys like
Yeah.
Adam
Yes.
Adam.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
the best.
It is
Yeah, because
savory.
maybe like I should bring more savory things like
Well, it's good. It's good to try.
Yeah.
Okay,
Now we
thank you
know
so
what we
much.
don't like.
You know what not to buy.
Yes.
Yeah.
What not to bring, not to try next time. So what's your guys favorite? It's Aram ya.
Yeah.
Jadi makanan favoritnya yang dicoba hari ini favoritnya adalah Aram. So the rest not the guys. These guys are not really like it. But yes, maybe because they are like more into savory things.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye.